back to Tenor Guitar Time. This lesson, let's go over an idea of how you can jam in a G-Dorian scale. Now, what is a G-Dorian scale? Or a G-Dorian mode. Now, what is that? So really that just means our root is in G, but we're playing the major scale from one step down, which is the F. So we're going to emphasize the G note a lot while playing in the F major scale. That's G-Dorian. So if we want to do this G-Dorian, our notes are right here. So I'm not going to bother with the low string because I want to have that available as a drone. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, back to F. So know where those notes are anywhere on your neck. And play over the G drone, and you have a really nice minor-ish kind of mood to practice your F major scale which is really the G-Dorian mode in this case. Another idea is just learn your F notes on one string, F major scale notes on one string while you play the drone over the G. So for example, on the high string, we have G, F, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. So maybe practice using one string at a time and practice making riffs or little melodies while you drone over your open G. Hope that's useful and gives you a new idea to work with. Thanks for joining me on Tenor Guitar Time. Subscribe if you haven't already. Head to Patreon for more detailed lessons, play along videos, and printable PDF charts and sheet music. And let's keep practicing.